Good day, friends. You would have also come across the news that the Lokpal cancelled the controversial tender for 7 luxury BMW cars due to massive public and political backlash. The public reaction indicates that many viewed the move as a dent in the institution's integrity, which by cancellation Lokpal intended to mitigate. To recall the sequence of events, tender to procure 7 BMW 330 LIM Sport luxury sedans collectively valued at around 5 crore for its chairperson and the members was issued in October 2025 by the Lokpal. The decision faced sharp criticism from the opposition parties, civil society activists, and the social media. Critics labeled the move as hypocritical and wasteful extravagance, arguing that institution established to ensure probity and accountability was instead chasing luxury over legitimacy. Calls were made to opt for Make in India electric vehicles instead. Following this backlash, the full bench of Lokpal cancelled the procurement offer in December 2025. In my humble view, the cancellation has not repaired the reputation of Lokpal in any manner, rather strengthened public opinion that action was wrong and extravagant, particularly at a time when the government pushes for electric vehicles and made in India. Why was an anti-corruption body dead set on high-end German petrol cars and also seeking luxury while failing to deliver on its core mandate created a dangerous perception. No doubt the cancellation of the tender is a victory for the fourth pillar of the democracy. But it proves that even the highest ombudsman of the country is not immune to the court of public opinion. But in the end, friends, I leave you with a different thought. In my view, the real honest public officers always look for the perquisites available to their position during their service, because an honest officer knows that after retirement he will have to drive a Swift Desire and live in two-room flat. Whereas the corrupt one, on the other hand, not only enjoys the perks during lifetime, but even after his retirement, he will own all luxuries of life, as he will own and live in a posh bungalow and own a fleet of BMWs, Mercedes and Audis and whatnot. Rest is up to you, friends, to decide on the matter. Have a great year, 2026. Jai Hind.